Okay, good evening, students. I have left after many days. Started this video for class 10th, defect of human eye. Because I have completed all videos of class 10th, but this defect of human eye was left. That's why I started this video. Though it is a deleted portion, but it is very useful in your further classes, competitions, and other importance to know the knowledge about your eye defect. I think it is very useful for your further study. Okay, students. Now I have drawn the defects figure, and now I am going to explain it. Listen attentively. Very useful video is now going on. See, defect of human eye. Human eye is a very delicate organ and optical organ which is in front of our head and naturally protected. I had already explained it that it is inner side, and it is externally protected by our skull bones, front bones. And see the most. Now I am going to come our topic. That is the defect. The first defect is myopia. Myopia come in aged person. This defect causes the horizontally elongate eyeball of the human eye. Human eye eyeball is horizontally elongate. You can see this ball has been horizontally elongate. All this figure, okay, and that's why the focal and the retina. This retina changes its place. I mean this if this ball is horizontally elongate, the distance of retina will be more from the eye. That's why this defect comes. You can see here that for the near vision, all the defective person can see nearby objects so clearly, but he can't see far objects so clearly. The focus of the far objects near to the lens. That's why its name is nearsightedness. Nearsightedness and nearsightedness means myopia. Nearsighted person can see the nearby objects clearly, but far objects not so clearly. The name is given to near focusing. The focusing is near to the lens. That's why the name is given nearsightedness. And to correct this defect, we use appropriate focal length of concave lens. See, this concave lens, appropriate focal length of the concave lens remove this defect. Okay, students? You should know how it remove this defect. See, the concave lens, focal length in front of the lens. First of all, the ray coming from the far, you should draw like this. Far objects ray coming like this. Okay, friends? And when it comes to the concave lens focus in front of the lens, so it diverges from this focal point, and hence it increase. If it will come here like this, then the incident ray will be here and here inside. But by using the concave lens, this is uplifted at this point and this point, so that this focusing may come to the right position at this retina. To find this position, the optician asks the patients always, you are seeing now clear, or using another focal lens. If he says that now it is not clear, then he increase the power of the lens, and when he increasing reports that now it is becoming clear, and where he says that now becoming clear is not, so he knows that this one the point of his appropriate focal length, and he write the lens power. Okay स्टूडेंट्स, अब इसको एक बार और हिंदी में देखिए. ये कण के मायोपिया जो है निकट दृष्टि दोष को कहते हैं. हालांकि निकट को ये देख लेता है. निकट दृष्टि दोष इसलिए नाम दिया गया है कि इसका फोकस जो है निकट हो जाता है लेंस के अंदर. ये हॉरिजॉन्टली एलोंगेट हो रहा है. हॉरिजॉन्टली यानी ऊपर से ये बॉल दब गई है, और हॉरिजॉन्टली एलोंगेट हो जाने के कारण ये इसका जो रेटिना यहाँ पर था वो यहाँ आ जाता है. रेटिना जब डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगा, उसकी डिस्टेंस बढ़ जाएगी, तो फोकसिंग तो आई लेंस का पावर तो नहीं बढ़ेगा. आई लेंस तो अपनी पावर से ही वही फोकस करेगा, इसलिए ये ब्लर इमेज बनेगा और वो व्यक्ति देख नहीं पाएगा. इस डिफेक्ट को हम मायोपिया कहते हैं, या निकट दृष्टि दोष हिंदी में नियर साइटेडनेस भी कहते हैं. अब देखिए, इसको डिफेक्ट को दूर करने के लिए इसको चाहिए फोकस को यहाँ से उठा करके यहाँ पर लाने के लिए कनकेव लेंस जब यूज करते हैं तो कनकेव लेंस का फोकल लेंथ आगे होता है. ये इस फोकल पॉइंट से ही इसको डाइवर्स करता है. जब डाइवर्स करता है तो यहाँ पर जो पैरेलल आ रहा है अब वो यहाँ आ जाता है. उसी तरह से ये पैरेलल यहाँ पर आ रहा है, तो इसको ये पीछे यानी दोनों एंड के तरफ उसके डिस्टेंस को बढ़ा देता है. देखिए, ये बढ़ा दिया है, और तब ये फोकस एप्रोप्रिएट फोकल लेंथ रहेगा तो रेटिना पर फोकस कर देगा और पेशेंट को बिल्कुल क्लियर दिखाई देने लगेगा, और तब ये कनकेव लेंस से डिफेक्ट दूर हो जाएगा. सी द हाइपरमेट्रोपिया. Hypermetropia is another type of the defect in which the defective person can see the far object so clearly, but he cannot see the nearby object so clearly. See, the far object's focusing is at the retina, but nearby object focusing is out of the retina, out of the eyeball. That's why he leads this focusing must be inside the retina, and the convex lens is used to remove this defect. Okay, students? See, to remove this defect, if he use appropriate focal length of convex lens, then convex lens focal length will be for front side, this not front side, back side of this lens. So this, see, if this lens comes like this, then it will go upside and this side. But if this type of lens is used, then it becomes like this. At the retina, it focused. Okay. Now at this retina place, if it is focused at the retina, then the person can see the this nearby objects clearly. So this hypermetropic person can see nearby objects clearly, but he can't see the far objects so clearly. He should use appropriate focal length of convex lens. You can see here the third type of defect is presbyopia. Presbyopia, see, it is old age hypermetropia. Old age hypermetropia means in old age, this defect comes. Old age hypermetropia, how comes? Listen. The flexibility of ciliary muscle decreases in old age, and it cannot accommodate it cannot accommodate from the fixed point, fixed power. It can appropriate. This presbyopic person, ciliary muscle cannot accommodate the eye lens at this fixed point, because the rigidness comes. The flexibility of the ciliary muscle reduces, and hence it cannot focus more than a fixed point. Okay, that's why this defect comes, and this defect is also corrected by like this hypermetropic person by using the convex lens. I have drawn here. This figure is drawn again here. And by using this convex lens, this defect can be corrected. But both type of myopia and hypermetropia, both type of defect can be occurs in a person. To reduce both type of defects, a person should use bifocal length glasses, bifocal length spectacles. The above, see, the one glass I have drawn here, the above glass through which he can see far objects, the near glass, the below glass, he can see the nearby objects. So nearby glass use convex lens, and the upper glass is concave lens, so that he can see the far objects as well as near objects clearly. Dual focal length, dual focal length optical will be used for the both type of defect occurs in a aged persons. Okay, students. Now see the fifth one defect. No, not fourth one defect. Fourth one defect is the astigmatism. Astigmatism is another type of defect through which a person cannot see the vertical line as well as horizontal line at the same time so clearly. You can see, I am going to draw the figure. See, for the astigmatism, I am rubbing this figure. This figure is belongs to presbyopia. So I am going to rub and I am going to draw the correction for the astigmatism defect. See, this is the eyeball and lens, convex lens in our eye. If this mesh is here, mesh means horizontal line as well as parallel line is given here, and the person cannot see the same mesh. He sees what type of, like this. See, he will see like this. Like this type of figure, he or she can see if he is defected by astigmatism. See, students, like this. This type, and like this type of figure will be seen by him. To correct this defect, astigmatism, we should use cylindrical lens. Cylindrical lens. See, I am drawing cylindrical lens here. Cylindrical lens. You should learn the name of this lens. Cylindrical lens is used to remove the defect of astigmatism. If here mesh is there, the same mesh will be here. You can see the grill type, the vertical line and horizontal line. He can see with the help of this cylindrical lens the same mesh. No change. The lining in this mesh, and he can see the correct mesh. I mean, by using the cylindrical lens, the person can, astigmatism defected person can see this correct mesh, and his defect will be removed. Okay, student. The fifth one defect is cataract, जिसको मोतियाबिंद भी कहते हैं. Cataract, मोतियाबिंद, an opaque membrane is closed. The both eyes. If both eyes is closed by a opaque membrane, then person cannot see everything because the light cannot enter in this opaque membrane. So no optician can remove this. Only surgical operation can be remove this defect. and the surgical operation to remove this opaque layer is very simple. In 10 to 15 minutes, a doctor can remove this layer, this opaque layer, and as well as the same time he can use the lens also. Lens, the very thin lens, corneal lens, is always used in this cataract person to so that he will be able to see without spectacles, because the lenses will be inserted in his eyes after the removing the opaque layer of cataract. Okay students, आपने समझा कि कैटरैक्ट एक ऐसा दोष है जिसमें एक पतली सी ओपेक झिल्ली, जो अपारदर्शी झिल्ली है, वो हमारी आंख के दोनों लेयर पे चढ़ जाती है। एजेड पर्सन क्या होती है? मोतियाबिंद आपने नाम सुना होगा। मोतियाबिंद के लिए कोई चश्मा, कोई ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो है काम नहीं करता, उसको हटाना ही उसका इलाज है। तो उसके लिए जो डॉक्टर होते हैं वो सर्जरी में ले जाकर उसको इजीली उसको रिमूव कर देते हैं। और यदि वो एजेड पर्सन है तो निश्चित रूप से उसमें कोई ना कोई डिफेक्ट होगा, हाइपरमेट्रोपिक होगा या मेट्रोपिक होगा, या दोनों फॉल्ट हो सकते हैं। तो वो लेंस उसमें उसी समय इंसर्ट कर देता है सर्जिकल ऑपरेशन से, और वो व्यक्ति चश्मे ये स्पेक्टिकल की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, और लगता है कि वो बिल्कुल ही उसकी आंख सही हो गई है अंदर से, यानी अब वो क्लियर देख पाता है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स।